So I'm gonna let this thing go. It's an Amiga 1000. I have a lot of retro computers, but the problem, honestly, I don't have the time anymore for that. So I just want to show you guys how an original Amiga 1000 looked from the inside once it's taken apart. And there's one funny thing. If you want to look in here, you see that? It's all the signatures of, I guess, all the people who developed an Amiga 1000, and that goes on top of here. And well, however, I'm gonna put this baby on eBay, and the original Amiga had a memory card as well.